In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign Maestro in 2026 beginner tutorial. 5 minutes. Let's get you comfortable with Maestro, Docusign's workflow builder that strings together templates, web forms, signing, and storage into one smooth process. Start by logging into your Docusign account. Once you're in the dashboard, look toward the main navigation and open templates. This is your hub for reusable content and the starting point for Maestro workflows. Inside templates, choose workflow templates. This is where Maestro lives. You'll see existing workflows if your organization already has some, or you can create your own. A quick tip: if you don't see workflow templates, check that your plan includes Maestro and that you have the right permissions. You can work from existing DocuSign templates to keep your documents consistent and compliant. Templates standardize fields, roles, and layouts so every agreement looks the same each time. Pair those templates with web forms to collect the information you need from users up front. The data gathered in a web form can be mapped directly into your documents so you avoid manual typing and reduce errors. If you prefer to start fresh, select Create Template. You'll be taken into the Workflow Builder where you can create a new workflow template. Give it a clear name and description so teammates know when to use it later. Think of this as your blueprint. It defines what documents are involved, who participates, and what happens at each stage. Next, add a web form to gather details from the initiator. This could be anything from a contact's name to pricing, dates, or project specifics. Make key questions required, add helpful hints, and use validation rules to ensure correct formats. Good form design saves time and prevents back and forth. Add the step that sends the document out for signing. Assign recipients to roles, set the signing order if there are multiple parties, and choose any identity verification you need. Depending on your plan, you can require enhanced ID checks to meet internal policies or regulatory needs. Keep notifications clear so signers know exactly what to do. Finally, configure automatic storage for completed documents in your cloud drive. Choose the destination, set folder names and file naming patterns, and include useful metadata like signer name or date. Automating storage ensures nothing gets lost and makes retrieval effortless. That's the core flow. Log in, open templates, go to workflow templates, combine templates with web forms, create your own workflow, collect initiator data, send for signature with the right verification, and store the results automatically. Save your work, run a quick test with sample data, and you're ready to roll.